Hello everybody, welcome to Khatri 3D, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this model for free. It is anatomically accurate Ecorche of a male model, and I will show you how to get this model for free and also how do I use it on my daily sculpts. So this model is by Rafael Grassetti and the link is in the description. And Rafael Grassetti is a Sony art director, and this anatomical model is for 3D printing. All these files are STL. All you have to do is go to this link and hit 0 here, or if you want to contribute to Rafael Grassetti, you can donate some dollars here, and to get it for free you have to write 0 here and click on I want this. After downloading it you will get this file here. You have to unzip it, and if you go inside you will get these separate parts of each body, and they are STL and ready for 3D print. But how do I use it for my daily sculpt? And I will show you. In order to combine them I use Blender software, and in Blender I import all the STL files and one by one, and I select them all and I hit Ctrl J to combine all the STLs into one. After combining all the files I export the model to XBX format, and then I import it in ZBrush. Now what I do is I have already saved this model as Z tool. Okay, I save all my files in ZBrush as Z tool, and after saving it from Z tool I can easily switch between this model and my model which I'm working on. For example, a few days ago I was working on this Hulk character from Marvel. Okay, now I will tell you in this video how I utilize this model. You can do two things. Okay, first load both models using the load tool. After that, in this small canvas you will see your current model and the one model you imported earlier. You can switch between these two models one by one, and if you hit F on your keyboard you can make the cam view it properly. Now what I do is you can either do two things. Okay, you can switch between and see the muscles and sculpt accordingly. Okay, or append the tool. Okay, append this Rafael Grassetti Ecorche and just move the model by side and view the muscles one by one. But that load up your Z tool and it becomes heavy because this model is already 12 million. So what I do is this is a hidden method I created for myself. I don't think anybody uses it. Maybe they do, but this is what I experimented and it worked for me. Maybe it will work for you. Okay, what I do is for example, I want to sculpt the arm. I want to see the muscles. Okay, what I will do now is go to Rafael Grassetti Ecorche, and I will hide the rest of the model by hitting Ctrl Shift and holding the Alt. When it is red, or sorry, not holding the Alt, when it is green I will drop it. Okay, and now the arm is visible. Now listen carefully. You just have to press Shift S, hold Shift and press S, and it will take a screenshot. Okay, now switch to your model, Hulk model. Okay, for my, and now I can see the muscles insertion and origin one by one, and it will help me sculpt the arm. Okay, now I want to clear this canvas. I will hit Ctrl N. Okay, and it will clear the canvas. Now I want to see the torso. I will go back quickly in this model, hit Ctrl Shift and tap on the canvas to make the whole model visible, and now I will position the torso accordingly and I will hit Shift S. Okay, and now I will switch back to my Hulk model and sculpt the torso accordingly. Okay, here are all the mother. Some people use pure reference, some people use other means, some people use dual monitors, but it helped me. I don't have a dual monitor or a bigger screen, so it helped me make sculpt the muscles accordingly. Now either you have this model, it is free, get it, or if you have another model, I suggest you could do this method. It will help you tremendously sculpt the human body with proper proportions as well as proper muscles. Or you can do other methods like using a pure ref or dual monitor, etc, etc. This method worked for me, so as I am telling you, okay, this is how I sculpted the entire Hulk torso with arms using this Raphael Grassetti model. Of course I use Hulk references, okay, of course I use Hulk references, but in references they doesn't show clearly the muscles insertion and origins, so I keep this reference aside and I hit open pure ref on the background. So if I want to see the proportions, I use the Hulk references, and if I want to see the muscles, I use this image. So I hope this video and this method help you a lot. If yes, and subscribe to my channel. I will get back to you again in the next video with different kind of tips and tricks or tutorial. Subscribe my channel, spread my channel and share with your friends. If you like it, hit like, and goodbye.